Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to start blogging for free with your smartphone. So you don't need anything, you just need your smartphone and internet connection. So let's start now and let's create your free blog together. Now that you are here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get free content like this. Here is how to do that. First thing you need to do is click on the subscribe button like this and the bell icon beside. That will notify you every time I drop a new video. Thanks as you're doing that right now. Alright guys, let's talk about the requirements. The first thing we need is your smartphone. But I recommend our smartphone with at least 1 gig RAM. That would be very okay. Then the second requirement is we need data connection. If you are in Nigeria, you understand what I mean better. Then the third thing we need is a fast browser. If you don't have any of this browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you can go to Play Store and download any of them. Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then the next thing we need is an email address. Not just an email address, but a Gmail account. If you don't have, you can go to Google as well and create a Gmail account for free. Then the next thing we need is a notebook app. A notebook app is where you are going to write your content, you are going to edit, and you are going to copy from there and post to your blog. But if you don't have any notebook app, I also recommend using Microsoft Word. You can go to Play Store and search for Microsoft Edge and you see the app, download it, register and sign in. So the next thing we need is optional, and that is little knowledge of HTML. It is very optional, but it will help you if you can learn some basics aspect of HTML. And the last thing is you need to practice. You need to practice your content writing skills. You need to practice how to get traffic, and you need to practice how to maintain your blog. So those are the requirements we need: your smartphone, data connection, a fast browser, an email address, a notebook app, a little knowledge of HTML, and practice. Now, let's start with creating the blog now. Okay guys, now go to your browser. You can minimize this video, go to your browser, then you need to start practicing whatever I'm doing here so that you can get the nitty-gritty of what I'm going to show you. So open your browser, either Google Chrome, either Microsoft Edge, or whatever browser you are comfortable with. So if you open your browser, we are going to this website, www.blogger.com. Can you see? Blogger.com. This is where we are going to. Make sure that you type the correct link. Now, after typing that link into your browser, click on search, go, enter, depending on the browser you are using. My browser has search instead of go or enter. Now you will land here. This is actually where we are going to. According to the hero text here, you can see publish your passions your way. Create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. You can enjoy perfect design, that is, you can choose from different templates that you can customize to your own taste. Then you can get a free subdomain. If you don't have money to buy a custom domain name, you can enjoy free subdomain name. You can enjoy making money from this blog as well. Yes, you can be making money from this blog if you build the blog to an extent like people keep coming, they keep reading from your blog, they keep coming back, and you think that, oh, this traffic is okay for me to make money. Then you can apply for what we know as Google AdSense. Google AdSense can automatically display relevant targeted ads on your blog so that you can earn income by posting about your passion, and you can know about your readers. You can track them, like where are they coming from, what do they read, what is their age range, and etc. You are going to enjoy a lot of stuff, though it is free, but it is second best platform you can use. Yes, Blogger is the second best platform that you can use for blogging in the world. The first is WordPress, which is quite expensive for beginners like you. Now, what we're actually going to do is we click on create your blog. Create your blog, and we are going to land to this page where we are to sign in with our Gmail. Remember I told you that we need the Gmail. Now you are going to type in your Gmail account now. So I will type in one of my Gmail. I think let me use at gmail.com, and you click on next. So you have to verify the login, as I just have to verify it. Yes, 34, and the sign in will be approved. Sign in approved, as you can see. So you need to sign in with your Gmail. If you have successfully signed in with your Gmail, then you have done 20% of the work already. Now, the first screen here is choose a name for your blog. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So you need to choose this wisely. You don't need to input your full name. Just think of a creative name to use for your blog. For my own blog, I'm going to use Bola Stories. Bola Stories. Now, this is the name I choose for my blog. Now, after that, I will click next. Now, here you are to choose a URL for your blog. This is the link that people can use to access your blog. You don't need to input your full name as well. You can input the name of your blog or a creative name that is very, very short and brandable. Here, I'm going to use Bola Story as well, because I think it's okay. People can easily remember it. Now, Bola Stories. Then you click on next again. Now, confirm your display name. How do you want your name display to readers of your blog? I want it like Bola space stories. So this is how the name will display, Bola Stories. Then I will click on finish. It will process. After processing, now we are going to the main dashboard. This is the main dashboard here. The main dashboard. If you are using mobile phone, just like I'm doing right now, you will see that it's not that okay on mobile. What we need to do is we need to be creative in what we are doing. So what I will do now is I will enable desktop view. Enable desktop view so that you can see the dashboard very well. So I will enable desktop view here. Depending on your browser, you can see this in many forms. Just ensure that you enable desktop view. Okay, I think I've successfully enabled desktop view now. What you need to do next is let's see what we have done so far. Now, to check your blog, you can open a new tab, or you can use a different browser and check with the name you use in the URL. Remember, I used Bola Stories, so I'm going to type Bola Stories dot now, not bolastory.com, but .blogspot.com. Can you see it now? So this blog stories will replace your website URL when you are testing your own. Now blogstories.blogspot.com. Can you see? We have actually created the blog, but you can see there is nothing here. Nothing is found there. Everything is empty. What I need to do now is to customize it. Remember, I told you that you can upload your own template and customize it. First, let me introduce you to this dashboard. You see this plus sign with new post. That's where you are going to click if you want to publish a new post. This second one with states, that's where you will click if you want to check how many people landed your website, how many posts are being read, and how many views do you have. The next one, comment. That's where you are going to click if you want to check the comments. The next one is earning. If you want to apply for Google AdSense, that's where you are going to click. And also you want to check your Google AdSense earning, that's where you are going to click. You want to create a page or pages rather, you will click on these pages, then you create a page. Layout is where you are going to assemble the sections and elements of your blogs. We're actually going there very soon. Then the theme is where the templates are. You can see many templates under this, that is those templates that came with the platform. Now settings, this is where you can do the major settings of the blog, like the robot.txt, the SEO, the description, the language, the other content, as you can see here. So you can change your basic, you can change your blog title here, you can add a description, you can change the language. If you are to run adult website or adult blog, maybe you want to talk about romance, about different adult contents, you must make sure that you click here. Then if you have an icon like this, you are seeing GB, you can click here and upload an icon. So if you have a custom domain, you can do it here. You can add the custom domain here. So HTTPS enable already. Then blogs admin author, you don't need that since you are the only authors. Mass post show on main page, you can change the amount of posts to be displayed on home page. So we don't have anything to do here for now. We don't have anything to do here. What we actually want to do is to design the blog. As you can see, the blog is not beautiful and it's not ugly, it's just empty. So we need to change the template. Now let's go to this theme, click on theme. Okay, you can see different templates here. Different templates are here. As you can see, if you want to enable any templates here, just click on the templates like this. Like if you want to enable this now, I just click on this, so it will open. Now we click on apply. Let me apply it. Okay, theme apply successfully. Let me check the blog again. So I will just refresh this. This theme will change. Can you see that it changed? Because we apply a new template. But let's go back here. If we check all the templates here, none of them are beautiful enough. They are just like random templates for you to be happy, like, okay, I have something. This is what you do now. We now open a new tab in your browser. Open a new tab, then go to theme expose. Okay. Let me do it like this. Just search for free Blogspot template. This is what I search for, free Blogspot templates, and hit on search. Free Blogspot templates. Now, we have more than enough, like hundreds of free templates to use. But you have to be wise when choosing a template. Make sure that that template is what you really love and what really correlates with what you are going to do, the blog. So I'm actually going to click on one of these results. As you can see, 300 plus best free responsive blogger templates. Let us check this if we find a beautiful template there. Now we are here. What we need to do here is we need to choose a template. But before you choose a template, make sure that you preview them. Don't just choose any template. Make sure that you preview those templates before you download them, because some templates are beautiful enough while some are not. So I'm going to click on the blog post. Okay, so we have a lot of templates here to choose depending on what we are going to write about. My blog is for stories, so I'm going to look for a template that will match stories blog, not just any template. Okay, let me search for floral and crafted. I don't like that. Spark. Okay, if you want to run it like tech, Spark is okay for you. Fast blog, agile responsive, ultra responsive, legenda, Lauren, VP. No, news spread, just my. Okay, I think this will be very okay. Let me check the live demo. If the live demo is not available, so I'm not going to. Sorry. So I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use that. Make sure that you check the live demo before you choose any of them. You need to be patient when choosing a template. This thing is very slow. Why? Sorry for the delay. The service is quite bad this morning. Remember what you are here for. You want to choose a template. Don't forget that that's where we're actually here. It's like this thing's not going to work on. Maybe we should check another website. So remember what I told you. Search on Google for free blogger or blogspot templates. So and make sure that you preview several templates before you settle for more. Don't just choose the first result. The first result might not be the best for you. So you need to be patient when looking for a template to use. Free blogger templates. Okay, to make it faster, let me just put the entire keyword here. Free story blogger keywords. So if you are doing your own, you can include your niche there, maybe free sports blogger templates or whatever you want to do. Okay, there is one here. Let me choose this. 35 best free blog templates for inspiring blogs. This no. Let me choose another one. 65 beg. Okay, let me choose the inscribe bank. So it will be open. Let's check the website and maybe we see a good template here. Let's read the introduction. Blogger is a very easy to use blogging platform where a newbie can start his or her blog. Can you see now? You can definitely start a good blogging career here. If you make money, you can move to another platform like WordPress. Now we have different templates here. We have the Seralize. I think this one is beautiful. Let us read the demo. I love this. I love the preview, the picture. Let us check the live demo. So you're actually checking on the demo, and let's see if this worth using. If it's worth using, I'm just download it. Oh, oh, wow, I love this. I love this. But I cannot use this template. The reason is that the template is for a portfolio website, not just for blog. If you are running a business, you can use this template for yourself. I'm not going to use this. So let's go back and check the one that fits in our niche. We are not designing our portfolio website. So let me check another one. We have personal, minimalist, and responsive blogger templates. I think this one is okay. Let me see. Not available as well. Let's check another one. We have Dash. I don't like Dash. I don't like it. Okay, we have KitKat. Let's check this KitKat. KitKat is not available as well. So you need to be patient when looking for a theme. I could have done this, but I want to show you what you need to do. What is this meant for? Web2. If you want to run anything related to video blogging or vlogging, you can use this, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, TubeMag. I don't like these things. Let me check this magazine template. Not available as well. Why? What is happening? So that's what you need to be patient for. You don't need to be in a hurry. You need to be patient. I think this one should work. Lightmark. So probably all the templates here seem not to be working. Let us go and check another site. So let us check this on cat. I think this one is straightforward. Let me check this. This angel. Let us check the preview. This one is beautiful. Yeah, it's very, very beautiful. Though I don't like the desktop view. And it's showing desktop view on mobile. I don't like that. I need something that will be very responsive. Something that will show mobile, desktop, not just showing desktop on every devices. Let me check this checkmark. Demo. Okay, I love this Chipmunk is very good. I love this. I will drop the link in the description below so that you can as well download it. So I love this. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. Now I have to go back and download it. Why is this thing closed? I want to copy the link so that I will put in the description. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we have to download it. So it will download and save on your phone. The service this month is not that good. Download. Okay. So it's in zip file. Just download it. We are going to extract it later. So download it. Yes, it's okay. Allow. Okay, it has been downloaded. Okay, let's go back to our blog. Let's go back to our blog. Okay, this is our blog now. We want to upload the template here so that the design will change and everything will look beautiful other than this. So if you want to change it, you have to click here. These 3 dots, click it. Can you see now? Let me do it again. These 3 dots, click it. Do you see what I did just now? Click these 3 dots and click on restore. Now you can upload a theme from a file on your computer. Let me tell you that zip doesn't work here. This platform does not support zip file. It supports what is known as XML file. So what we need to do is we need to extract the XML file from the zip. So I'm going to use what we call zip. What I will use to extract zip akafa. This is what I'm going to use to extract it. So if you don't have this, you can go and download it from Play Store. It's very good. So I want to extract it. Let me show you how it looks like and what we need. So go to your download and to check the file we downloaded, the templates we downloaded. So this is what we downloaded: Chipmunk blogger theme. Can you see? .zip. We don't need zip. We need just XML. Because if you upload this zip now, it will not work. So we need to extract the file we really need. That's why I'm going to use this file extractor. Now I want to extract it. Okay. I click on this plus. Cancel. Story. Let me go back to download. Okay. Let me search for the template. Okay, this is it. Can you see Chipmunk blogger theme? Now you click on it. What do you want to do? Do you want to view? Do you want to extract? Do you want to test? Do you want to compress? I want to extract. So you just click on extract here so that it can be inside the download page as well. Download folder. Let us check if it is here. Okay, it is actually here. Okay, this is what we need. So let's go back now. Let's check our download page if the XML is there. So go back to your download and search for it. download. Now search for SML. Can you see it now? We have Chigma free version. We have Chigma carousel free version. So actually they are the same template, but this one is more advanced. That is, it has more feature than this free version, and that is the Chigma free version. So I'm going to use the second one now. So let me go back to my blog, and I will click on these three dots again. Then click on restore. Then click on upload. Then it will open the download. Now I will now open the download folder. I will open this folder as well, and I will use this SML. Now it is restoring the theme. So you have to wait till everything okay. Theme is restored. Now let's check our blog again. Can you see now? Everything has changed. Everything has changed. So if you add a post here, the post will start changing the look, changing the layout. As you can see that everything is still ugly, but don't worry. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add a post. Do you understand how we add the template now? You just click on any default template, click on these three dots, then click on restore and upload the XML file, not zip, XML file. Now we want to add let's add our logo first before you add the post. So if you want to add your logo, you click on this layout. You click on layout, then you will see the full layout of the blog and how you can easily edit it. Now this is the property of, well, let's leave that. Now logo, you see where they wrote logo here. If you have a logo to use for your blog, just click on edit, and we are going to use a logo. Let me enlarge this. So you have options to choose here. Either you upload an image from your computer and use it as logo, or you paste the link here, or you use this text only. So I actually want to use a logo from my computer, so I'm going to upload something from this my folder here. Let me use, I actually have a, okay, I want to use this as my logo. So this thing will be my logo now. So I don't want this text to appear there again. So I will click on, instead of title and description, so it will hide the text from the home page. Now you click on save. Now it's saved already. Let's check it. This thing will change to my logo. Can you see now? So my logo is now appearing instead of the Bola story. Now the next thing you need to do is let's see what we can do here as well. Let's see what we need to do here. Oh, the carousel. The carousel. This is where we are going to add the slider. You have seen slider now. So this is where you are going to add the slider. Okay, actually the slider will take from the post. It will take from the post. We are not going to add it ourselves. It will take. Okay. Let's go back to where we are customizing it. We have changed the logo. I think what we need to do now is should we add a post now, or let's see if there's something we can still design here. Menu, box layout, carousel, as feature post, as main wrapper. There's nothing much to design here. I love this template. It's very, very, very straightforward. There's nothing to. Okay. Now, the first thing we need to do now, which is why we are here, is to add a post. Because you are blogging, you are going to be adding a post. Now click on this. Sorry. Do you know how I even got it? Sorry. So if you click on that hamburger, it will take you back to where we came from earlier. Now you click on new post. And it will bring you here. So let me introduce you to this page quickly. This title is where you are going to put your story title or your blog post title. This A is when you want to capitalize. This pencil is when you want to view in code, HTML or virtual form. That's why I said if you learn HTML, it will help you a little bit. This arrow that leads to the front, that is forward arrow, is where you can reverse maybe the changes we have done, or the other way. You can capitalize your text. You can make the text bigger with this TT. You can change the format, either paragraph, heading, or as you can see here. Now, this me bold, this B me bold, this I means slanting, this U it means underline, this T it means to cancel something, to cancel a text. So this, I think that thing that look like chain, sorry, this thing that look like chain here, can you see it? Let me enlarge it. This thing that look like chain, it is where you will link to another link to another page or another website, or to your post. What else? You want to align the text to the middle, you click on this. You want to align to the normal, you click on this. You want to align to the right, you click on this. But I want it to be aligned to the left. That is normal place. Now if you want to add numbers, like you want to number 1 2 3, just click on these numbers here. This is for block quotes. This is if you want to change the language, I think. Yes, you want to change the language, and we don't need that. We need the normal English, I think. Now these settings is very important. We get there. Okay, we get there later. Now let's add a new blog post now. So the title of my blog post is Davido and Chioma love story. Love story is inspiring. This is the title of my blog post now. Davido and Chioma love stories is inspiring. Now, how to add the context? Davido is a superstar, etc. Is a superstar. So just add your context here. I'm just using that as an example. I'm going to paste some context here. I'm going to paste some context to make it look good. And just pasting the content just to show you the example. I'm not saying that you should as well start copy pasting. No, I'm not saying that. I just want to make sure that there are contents to use there. Okay. Now let's leave that for now. So, like I've explained earlier, if you want to make a text to bold, just click on this B that is here. Like for example now, I want to make this the video to be in bold format. I just highlight on it by long pressing on that text. Can you see now? Now we gently click on that B. Is now bold. Can you see it now? Now I want to underline this smartphone as well. I will long press on the smartphone and click on this U. Can you see it's now underlined? How to make this this data to be bigger than this connection. I will now click on this T. It will drop down. Then I will click on large. Can you see it's now bigger than the second text here, which is connection. Now I want to change the heading. I want to add a heading. Let me say, okay, how to know the video. So this is actually an heading, not a paragraph. So to make sure that I format it very well, I will long press on those words. Can you see now? I want to change this to heading. Now you now click on this paragraph and change it to heading. Can you see now? It's now different, bigger and bolder than the paragraph. Now if you want to link to maybe another website or another content, just click on the text you want to use, the anchor text. Like this knowledge now, I want to use it to link to one of my blogs. I'm coming. Okay, wait. Make money. Make money. So I want to link this text to my blog. I will just look for that chain. Now this is the chain. Now click on it. It will open something like this. Now just put the link here. https www.bolamedia.com. Apply it. Let me do one thing here. So it say open in a new window, yes, and apply. That's how you add link. Now I want to add a category to it. So the category I will add there is celebrity. You mark before you close, you mark it. Now the permalink, this is the link of the blog post. If this is very long for you, you can shorten it. If you think it's okay, you can just go on with that. But this one is too long for me, so I will just click on custom to change the link. Now I just say the video Chioma love story. So I remove the slush. Now this is okay for me. I will now click on this where we are editing text again. Now I want to show you how to upload an image to your blog post. If you want to upload an image, you just need to click on where you want the image to be. Like for example now, I want the image to be under this notebook app. I just click on the place. After clicking there, you see this thing that look like gallery. Now click on it. It asks you upload from computer, upload by URL. I want to upload from computer. You will now upload an image from your phone to this place. Now choose file. So I will choose an image that I want to use like this. It will upload. After uploading, Now it's now uploaded. You now select the image again by clicking on it. Select it and click on it, select again. Select. Now the image will appear here, as you can see. So I think that's all we need to do here. Add your post. If you want to underline, highlight on it and click on you. If you want to link, highlight on the text and click on this chain. If you want to make it bigger, highlight on the text and click on this T. Then choose a large format. If you want to make an heading, highlight on the text and click on that paragraph and change to heading. If you want to add the category, click on this settings, this thing that look like gear, and change the settings there. So if you think that is okay for you, you can publish, but I will advise you to preview before you publish. And before you preview, you need to save this. Save first. After saving it, then you can now preview the post. Let's preview it. So this is how it will look like. Now, I think it is okay. This is how I want it to look like. Now, let's go back. Sorry, this thing keep closing itself. So we want to publish the post now. Since we have saved it, the post is no more here. But don't be afraid, the post is still there inside this blog. So what we need to do is, okay, it's now here. What we need to do now is to click on publish. Now, this publish is this arrow. Can you see it? Can you see it? This arrow that I hover on is bring that publish. Now click on the publish. This will publish this post to your blog. Confirm it. Now the post is now published. Let's go and check it. Let's go and check our blog and see. Now this was our blog before. Let's refresh it now. Can you see everything is now making sense? It is now making sense. So there are something we need to change here. The recent post will upload itself, but the Facebook here, let's change this Facebook and put our Facebook link there. So what we need to do is we need to go back and click on layout. So under this layout is where you are going to change anything you want to change. Under this layout, so we want to look for that Facebook. Okay, is the sidebar. So look for anything Facebook here. Okay, I think this is it. Now edit it. Just put your Facebook link here, https www.facebook.com/BolaMedia. Now hit on save. What else do you need to do? Follow us. We are actually going to add our social media icons, social media address here. So I'm just going to add two. Here, Facebook fb.com/Gaded. Facebook. So you will put the social media name here, Facebook, and your social media link. Now add link. So I have added that one. It's okay. Let me just save it. So you can hide as many as possible. What is inside this JavaScript? Let's see what is there. Nothing is there. Let's preview our blog again. Okay. Refresh it. We need to be patient. Okay. So I think that's what we need to do for now. If you continue adding more posts, all these things will start getting themselves into place. Like this popular post, if people keep reading your post, the most view posts will start adding themselves here. And the Facebook here, I think we need to remove this Facebook. Let's remove this Facebook for now. Let's remove that Facebook. If you want to remove an element, this is what you need to do. So just click on what you want to remove. I think it's at the sidebar here. This Facebook, click on edit and click on remove. Now it has been successfully removed. So what is? You just need to keep adding new posts. Let us add another post. So I'm going to say, I am happy for this. I am happy for this tutorial. So I will just paste those things that I've copied already. Now I want to make this one my heading. This requirement, I want to make it my heading. I will just highlight on it. I will click on this paragraph. Sorry, Yari. Click on this paragraph. This drop down. What is happening now? Let me use another one. Maybe it's okay. This one work now. Why is this one not working? Definitely that is service for you. You need to be patient and you need to okay. Let's add new picture. The service is not that good. Let's add new picture. It's not working as well. Let me reload it. Seems it's not working at all. Everything now start working at once. Why the service is not good? Let's do it again, Jerry. The service is not good. It's not good at all. Let me just save. Let me just try and add a picture and save it. So just ensure that you are hiding the picture the right way. This is where to add the picture. Where you see this icon. It's not even gettable. So this is, I think this is what we need to do here. This pencil is where you need to edit the HTML or the virtual view. You want to reverse or you want to change something to previous or future history. Then you're going to click. If you want to change the font type, if you want to change the font size, this TT, you want to change the heading or paragraph, you click on this paragraph. If you want to change the bold text, you click on B. After that, you will now click these settings here to add the label. After adding the label, you can change the, what's it called? You can change the link. If it's too long for you or you don't like it, you can change the link from the permalink using custom permalink, and you click on publish. Then it will be published. I think that's all. That's all. If you have any question, can you let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. I think it's really helped a little bit. So now you need to start taking action, start practicing, start learning more about how to become a good blogger, how to customize the blog to your own taste that your visitors will like. Don't also forget to like the video if you think it is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe as well. That will really motivate me to share more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends by clicking on the share icon below here and visit us again. I'm going to put something in the description below. You can check the description for more information that I need to pass to you. Sorry, the service came so bad at the end of the video. I'm so sorry for that, but I hope you get what I was trying to explain. Thank you so much. Let's see again.